Imagine waking up in a luxury apartment in Dubai, sipping your coffee as the sun rises over the Burj Khalifa, and preparing for a day of work not in an office, but from your laptop, anywhere you want. This is the reality for thousands of people in 2025 who are moving to the UAE under the new Digital Nomad Visa. And the best part? You don't need IELTS, you don't need a university degree, and in some cases, you don't even need a job offer in hand. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how you can be one of them. According to the latest global index, the UAE has become the world's second most attractive country for digital nomads, right behind Spain. Why? Because the government is now offering a long-term remote work visa designed for foreign professionals to live and work in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and other Emirates without the complex immigration processes of the past. And the demand is skyrocketing. With world-class infrastructure, zero income tax, and high safety ratings, the UAE has become a dream destination for freelancers, remote workers, and entrepreneurs. So how does it work? First, let's talk eligibility. If you have a job outside the UAE and earn a minimum of $3,500 a month, or if you're a freelancer or a business owner, you can apply. You'll need proof of employment, a valid passport, health insurance, and bank statements showing income. That's it. There's no IELTS requirement, no degree checked, and no age limit. It's one of the easiest pathways for skilled professionals and even beginners in remote work to settle legally. Now let's talk about the lifestyle. Dubai isn't just skyscrapers. It's beaches, luxury shopping, amazing food, and a vibrant community of digital nomads from every continent. Imagine working during the day and going for desert safaris or yacht parties by night. Your visa allows you to open a bank account, lease an apartment, and even sponsor your family. The cost of the visa? Around $600, including processing and insurance, but think of it as an investment. Many companies even reimburse it when they hire remote staff. And here is the best part. There are now job boards and platforms specifically targeting remote work in the U.S. I'll link a few in the description. Whether you're into content, writing, programming, design, virtual assistants, or digital marketing, opportunities are growing fast. So if you're stuck in a low-paying job, frustrated by visa rejections, or just want to start fresh in a place that rewards ambition, this is your moment. UAE isn't just a tourist destination anymore. It's becoming the Silicon Valley of the Middle East for remote workers. Ready to apply? Check the description for all the links you need. And if you're from India, Pakistan, the Philippines, Nigeria, or Bangladesh, yes, this works for you too. No agents, no scams, just facts. Comment your country below, and I'll reply with job portals you can trust. Don't forget to subscribe if you want real visa updates, not fake hype. Thanks for watching. Your dream life might be one bold application away.